This is Mark Hyder, and it's time for another... all my new friends. End my vlog.
Yay, hey everybody.
Thank you. It's time for another feedback. Oh, yeah. Have a guess what's happened. Have a bloody guess what's happened. Well, if you haven't guessed it right, I'm going to tell you after this segment. Yeah, after this segment. Well, the situation is... Well, it goes like this. Mr. Mark Hyder, of the owner of Mark Hyder's Vlogs, needed to reinstall his Windows 8 PC. I have to say this. I'm very sorry. I have to say this. If I offend you in any way, I am very, very sorry. Fuck! Hi, I'm back now from work, and I finished about 5 hours ago. It feels like. I think it's 5 hours. Finished at 6 p.m. Maybe finished at 5, but I did one extra. I have to accept it now. I've lost most of my files on the computer. What I had before. I had tons and tons of stuff. Well, most of my vlogs that were backup copies. There were backup copies. What am I like? Yeah, most of that was got deleted, destroyed, infected, and bloody gutted. But I got a fresh new start on the PC. I've got some games to install, like Flight Simulator X, to get those videos back into play. I've got loads of potential things I can do with my channel, especially like more live video. I haven't done a live Minecraft video in a while, like a single player as such. Normally I have someone else in the game, like I do every Saturday night. Oh, yes. Hopefully on payday, I will get a capture card to broadcast live PlayStation games, maybe Xbox games, maybe how to do a certain thing on PlayStation, or give a guided tour on my smart TV, for example. I've got to decide. Probably I could do like a live tinting game. That'd be good. Wndows, but I don't think I can do that one because it's got movie images, and I don't know if that'd be slightly different because you have you talking it over. Maybe have a creative license sort of thing, I'm not sure. Could do an Xbox. Could do a Harry Potter live game. I need to get more PC games, and you can see what I'm playing. Other than that, there's not been much to say at the moment. Until next time. Oh yes. Santa Claus is coming to town.
73,460.
Oh, I'll be going to bed soon. Right, I like this camera.
What was you thinking?
Still like it. What?
spaghetti.
I was a bit wiggly when I ate it.
Is it alright?
Yeah.
That was cooked in the new pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker, that's not...
In the microwave. Microwave
Oh,
pressure
right,
cooker.
right. No pressure.
No, no pressure.
Right, I'll be going upstairs soon, going to bed soon. I've got work again at 1 p.m. You haven't seen him for a while.
No, don't press it.
I'm not pressing him.
It's too late.
Yeah, but it is Santa Claus though. Or Father Christmas.
Written down twice.
Christmas, Merry Christmas, how are you?
You have to stop and pick your pen up.
Yeah, that happens when it's Christmas time. Oh, batteries. Oh, there's batteries. Put the battery in here. At the moment, this camera is a spare in case this is charging. I've told you before, but I like reminding my viewers what's going on. Man, that camera lens is cold. Yeah, keep this as a spare in case I need it one day. Let me let my brother borrow it if he wants to, before he's making his video. The only one drawback, you need to put some sellotape on the battery door. Keep it closed. I'm not sure. Don't think there's any charge in it though. That's charging now. Yeah. Well, I can give it to my brother to borrow, and possibly get his vlogs. Then I can host them on my channel. And he has got a YouTube channel, but at the moment he's got like copyright music on there. And that way he couldn't really get partnered, or we couldn't really get paid. That's why that's why I'm going to host it on my channel. No offense to him, really. That's where the cookie crumbles. Hi, I'm back home from work. Oh yes, I'm on my PC. No, not technically on the PC. I'm looking at the PC. Yeah, at the tower unit. I'm putting Flight Simulator X back on the PC after you guessed by the sound of the video at the beginning. Anyway, that's now going on. I'm not sure how long this is going to take to install. Then I've got to get all my updates for the Flight Simulator game and all the flight add-ons I had for the game. It is annoying. And I have to get back to the routine of getting updates, of getting things I've lost, trying to make up what I've lost. That happens. It happens when you buy a new PC and you want to firstly get all your programs you really use on the PC, get all the updates, if you do updates that is. Oh dear. Hopefully it won't take too long to install, because it's a good graphics card and processor. I need to check something, because since Anthony's helped me put some of the files back on, I need to see if he can put the commands in Boulder. I was going to log into my PC downstairs, which I have to start a new connection because there's nothing on save connections. Okay, looks like my IP address has changed to downstairs, and I have to find out what it is called. What is it? I don't know, you tell me. I'm just gonna log into my Sky account. Does it say there? No. Well, I need to look for this code, or well, I'll be back in a minute because I need to have a look at something. I need to search things. Okay, back in a minute. Okay, I've got the IP address for the PC. But downstairs. I need to check if he's put a text file. Use information. Okay, I've got the command. I'm just gonna paste that in. No way. My admin main. I need to come back in there and put in. What's this? Oh, slow down, isn't it? Maybe I shouldn't run the server once got. No, I've got an install coming in. Because it's made the next turn a bit slow. Oh, yeah, it's asking me to set this to. Okay. Right, have to do this in Notepad. I'll see you later on. Bye bye. Right. It's now 4. Bloody it jumped over me. Bloody hell. Right. Okay, the time is now 4:01 AM. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee and some toast before I turn into my bed.
That's a crappy fucking throne. Trying to make a throne.
I'm gonna go downstairs and
make a throne, but it's not working.
make this food. Well, I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna leave the headphones on, and I can tell if they're being mean to me. Let's go downstairs. Yes, I'm doing the vlog, but I can hear everything you say. Don't. I heard you. I heard that. Yes, I did. Right, I'm gonna go downstairs. And what Anthony just said, mean to my parents, is not true. I am not. What do you mean? What do you mean? Don't let me on your Minecraft server? Redfall. Yeah, I'm making a drink. Just put the kettle on. Yeah. Name your horse. Hey horse. Who cares about your Swiss? I'm vlogging, mate. I'm vlogging. It's not that funny, mate. It's not that funny. Oh, drinks on. Toast. Put the toast on. Yeah, I'm gonna make some toast now. Put the bread in a toaster, like that, and don't know what they're laughing at. See my head? Well, I don't know what they're talking about. Something's funny. What do you mean? Pardon? I heard that. I'm gonna make some toast. Oh, I'm not the T word. I'm not saying that in front of my viewers. I've got a bit blurry then. Fuck that. Look. Don't you fucking dare. Because Don't put TNT in my fucking mailbox. You know what I mean, mate? Know what I mean? Right. Toast is on. Yeah, I remember that. Hello, Quincy. Just hit toast. Yeah, it's about an hour, mate. Oh, right. Flogging? Of course I'm flogging. The voice. We're gonna make some toast. I'm already here. Oh, what mark? Oh, camera. Sorry, I forgot about you. Sorry. Oh, holding the camera and holding the food at the same time. Yeah. Try not to drop this. Hello. I'm trying not to drop this.
Yeah, please don't.
Da 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 da. Yeah, and soon your asses. Well, I'll be heading up to bed. I'm cheerio and wait, yeah, I'm tired as well. I can't. I'm flogging this. I forgot his name. I gotta look it up. Jason. Good night, Jason. On my headphones. No, I say goodbye goodbye headphones. I say goodbye to my viewers for another night. I see you in the morning. I see you, Jason, in the morning, afternoon-ish. Yes, and have a good night. I'm back home from work. Oh, yes, and I'm talking to my brother. Hello, brother. His name is not called brother. His name's called Tim. Or should I call Timothy? Yeah, Timothy.
His name is not Mark, it's Mr. Noise-a-Lot.
I am not Mr. Noise-a-Lot. Just waiting for my dad to bring a coffee up for me.
He doesn't know where the kettle is.
No, I'm a geek. I just want to stay up here with my gadgets and things and personality. My TARDIS. Timothy James Hyder, would you get the Xbox One?
Xbox One?
Yeah.
But I'm only getting one of them. It says Xbox One.
What about PlayStation 4? Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to turn off.
I am not off, no.
Well, he's off Thursday and Friday.
No. I put your quilt cover on. Right.
No, you haven't.
I said, will you put your quilt cover on?
Oh. Right. I've got to go to the Apple Store on Thursday. On Thursday, I'm going to the Apple Store in Covent Gardens to place my broken earpods, headphones.
I've got a question. Is he going to the greengrocers to get an apple?
No, Tim, no. Because I'm going to get those for free because it's one of their free exchange programs thing.
Don't bring the cable in the storm.
Don't bring a cable into the storm. Why?
Well, apparently it's called a lightning cable.
Dear. Apparently it's a bus as well.
I don't know if you've seen Chris Puller's new video, the vlog. It's like the Santa's got an apple on his head.
What?
It looks like there's an apple on his head.
A red apple on his head.
Look, it's got an apple on his head.
Oh, he's got an apple on his head. Where's the stalk?
I don't know if it's an apple or a tomato.
Tomato!
Tomato!
Tomato, Tim, it's tomato. We're English, it's tomato. It's the bloody...
Anthony, it's tomato.
Tomato. Anthony, don't listen to him.
Tomato.
Oh, stop it!
I say tomato, you say
What
tomato.
about basil?
Why?
You don't say bezel brush, do you?
No, that's different. That's
Women's different.
it's different because it's BASIL.
What's that spell?
Basil.
And why does an American say bezel?
I don't know.
Bezel. Bezel brush.
Blame Americans.
Yeah, blame Americans for everything.
Well, not everything.
I want to get some more minifigs. I want to get some more minifigs someday.
Are you buying fruit?
Why?
Figs. Mini figs.
Take on these bloody jokes. Jokes.
Jokes.
Jokes. It's jokes.
Jokes. How are you, Mark? Is it jokes?
It's jokes, Tim.
It's jokes.
Jokes. With my power cell.
Power cell, not power cell.
I said powers.
No, you
says,
didn't.
what did I say then?
Huh?
What did I say then?
You said power cell.
Right.
Power cell.
I went to the 99p store a couple of days ago and I got this Christmas sack and Jazzy Christmas.
Oh no.
Don't say old, no, old no. Oh bloody hell. Oh no. It's I like jazz. I like jazzy Christmas music and saxophone sort of music.
Saxophone. Him and Christmas. He sings Christmas songs in March.
Doesn't everyone?
Well, no. Especially the app he's got on his phone.
What? Oh, I've got my phone.
The whistle one.
There's nothing wrong with the whistle one.
No, it's not that. It's like it's March or April, and then all I can hear is Silent Night.
I know, should I play one now?
Or Greensleeves.
Should I play one now?
I just can say Major. He used to say away in the manager.
For release or that's what? Or God bless. God. Right.
What was that?
God. Let's see, Mary Gently. Ready? How's that?
That is good, but if it wasn't a real instrument, it'd be keeping everyone awake, including the whole neighbourhood.
Anything else you want me to play? London Bridge is falling down.
No,
Apparently, morning.
no.
Go for it. Everyone, please stand up.
You can take a breather now.
Definitely.
Yeah, if it was a real recorder, might be blowing really hard in the recorder,
I wouldn't.
and then it make a really, really high squeak, and then everyone will be woken up.
Woken up? What's that? Woken up?
Everyone will be woken up. I'm surprised no one's complained about his Minecraft.
Well, I do have to go very soon. I'm still very hungry, even though I have had something to eat.
We're not in hungry.
Oh, shut up. I do have to go now, but hopefully you like this vlog. But I do have to say this before I go. Thank you for liking and sharing this video and all my other videos across the YouTube spectrum. Bye bye. Bye bye for now. Bye. Bye.